Hello guys, welcome to Bank Nifty Zone. Today let's quickly recap the stocks that were given yesterday in Telegram channel and the stocks performed today. If you see my first stock that was given buy M&M at current market price. So if you look at M&M today, so M&M was opened at 657. So previous close was 654. It has crossed at 654. So our current market price will become 657. So today I gave targets of 659, 661, 665, 672 and 674. So today it went high of 666.60. So hitting my targets of 1, 2, 3, first 3 targets. So always trail your stop loss to book the profits. And I gave stop loss of 639. So after reaching this target of high of 666.60, it went to low of 615.45. So when the target's getting hit, please trail your stop loss and always keep intact in profits. So if you move on to other stocks, sell IndusInd Bank below 60.50. So if you see IndusInd Bank today, so if you see IndusInd Bank today, it was opened around 612.90. It went to high of 617.40. Later it came down to our targets or the entry price that was given for IndusInd Bank. If you see IndusInd Bank 609.50, we can enter here targets of 603, 600, 599.50 and 595.50. If you see today it went to low of 553.85. So all our targets got hit today. So if you see the next stock, sell HDFC Bank below 1056. So if you see HDFC Bank today, it opened around 1055. I told to sell below 1056. It went to high of 1071, 1071.35 to 1071. So if you see today, it went to low of 1041.50 and our targets 1050, 1047.50 got hit. I told to wait for HDFC Bank. So after reaching this again, it came back to 1056. Then it was the perfect entry price. So if you move on to buy Hero MotoCorp above 3119, if you see Hero MotoCorp, so today it was open around 3,122. Told to buy above 3119, targets of 3124. It went to 3124.45, hitting our first target. So definitely today the stock performed very bad because the Nifty went 2.21% down today. So pulling the Bank Nifty and other indices also supported Bank today. It went very crucial support levels. Nifty today 11,250. So Hero MotoCorp went down around 3033. So hitting only the first target. So anyway, target is also not viable because it's only 2 rupees. But if someone has taken 100 stocks, definitely it would be a 2 rupees profit for them. If you move on to other stock, buy Bharat Rasayanam at 9,860. If you see Bharat Rasayanam stock today, today it was opened around 9,855. I told to buy at 9,860 with a target of 9,900. It went to high of 9,891. So definitely it did not pay by hitting the stop loss. So sometimes it happens in the market. So if you move on to other stock by Asian Paints, so if you see Asian Paints today, Asian Paints today it opened around 2036. I told to buy at 2027, targets of 2035, 38 and 45. It went to high of 2057, so hitting my all targets with a stop loss of 2005. Definitely someone could have closed their positions at 2045 or could have hold and closed at 2050 and somewhere around. So if you move stock, sell PVR at 1201. If you move on to other stock, sell PVR at 1201 or buy PVR at current market price. So if you see PVR today, PVR, yeah, it opened around 1205, 1205. So I told to buy PVR at current market price with targets of 1205, 1208, 1210 and 1216. It went to high of 1212, hitting my first targets 1, 2, 3. And there is one more opportunity to enter into PVR by selling the PVR at 1201. So definitely it came down. So it went to low of 1103. I told to put the targets of 1200, 1196 and 1183. So definitely my targets from sell perspective got all hit. So if you move on to Tech Mahindra stock today, so Tech Mahindra stock, so it was open around 807, went to immediately high of 830. So I told to buy above 807, exactly opened at 807 with targets of 809, 812, 816, 819 and 822, hitting the all targets. So one more perspective from sell side, I have given the targets by entry level 790. So one more perspective I have given from sell side, that is sell below 797. So it went to low of 784. So I gave targets of 783 is my last target. So hitting my targets of 794, 790, 788 and 786. So except one target, rest of the targets got hit. So if you move on to other stock, Airtel buy above 495. So Bharti Airtel today opened at 496. It was high of 496. So I told to buy above 495. So immediately it went down. So the opening price was the high price. It went down. So this did not trigger my stock today by putting stop loss of 485, but it went low of 461. So I told to immediately not to enter into Airtel position. So guys, this is the performance of the positional calls given on 21st September 2020. So we'll be coming up few more stocks tomorrow, that is on 22nd September 2020. Until then, Jai Hind.